Sanibona bafethu, uvani lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala ne-AC Saints Eloy Lupopo. FC Saints Eloy Lupopo imatch-ke leyo izobe idlalwa esigodini Orlando Stadium. Okuyi-second leg engekho mnandi. Second leg engekho mnandi because i-first leg yaphela ngo-3-0. Yebo njengoba yaphela nje ngo-3-0, Orlando Pirates kumele iscore ama-goals ayi-4 ukuze iwine le game. Iscore ama-goals amathathu bazokwazi ukuthi baye kuma-penalties. It will go straight to penalties and i-game izobe isidecidwa-ke ama-penalty. But-ke kule game le ibaluleke kakhulu Orlando Pirates iscore more than 4 goals. Not more than 4 goals per se, but iscore 4 goals to win this match. So nayi line-up mina engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Nawe lapho kuma-comments ungangitshela eyakho i-line-up ithini, but-ke le eyami ungayigxeki eyami, ungitshele wena eyakho ukuthi ngabanjani. Yabo, ungayigxeki, don't blame mine, just tell me yours, nami ngifuna ukuyibona yami. First and foremost ngizoqala ebhalini-ke niyamazi goalkeeper of the season. Goalkeeper of the season, but-ke last game sidlala naleya team ama-goals engawabona bewakora. I was kind of disappointed, but-ke let's hope uzowalungisa amaphutha akhe umjida. Yabo, angidisappointed kula ma-goals abamskorela wona, but-ke kule game esoyidlala kumele enze sure ukuthi ubuyisa leya level yakhe esiyaziyo bafethu uSipho. So kule game le ngingamqalisa ebhalini uSipho. Ungangitshela kuma-comments ungaqalisa ba mase kuthi ku-center back pairing bafethu. Ngibazwile abantu abaningi bethi mekuziwa kwi-CAF kumele siye nge-experience. I don't think mekuziwa kwi-CAF bafethu kumele kuziwe nge-experience kakhulu per se, because labo badlali abangena experience uthi bazoyithola kanjani experience ye-CAF? Bazoyithola kanjani i-experience ye-CAF Champions League? Ungitshela nje ukuthi uMbokazi last season bamdlalisa nje ku-Champions League engena experience, bamdlaliselani ngena experience? It's because of izinto ezikanje. Mekwenzeka kulimala uSibisi uthi udlalisa ba, obviously uzodlalisa yena phela uCM. Yabo, uCM naye kumele abe exposed to a CAF Champions League. So ukumqalisa mina ngamqalisa against leya team leya. Yabo, because they play kahle with uMbokazi, they connect well with uMbokazi, bayakwazi uku-understandana. So mina ngabaqetha bawu-2 emuva, babe nje i-wall of Jericho lapha bakwazi ukustopa amagoli, bastope amabhola aqhamukayo from le club esiyodlala nayo. But-ke wena ungangitshela wena i-center back pairing yakho uthi ngabanjani, but-ke this is my center back pairing. I would start against le club esiyodlala nayo. Mase ukuthi ama-wing backs, same wing backs. Wing back bafethu, mhlawumbe umunye umuntu angasho ukuthi angamqalisa uLebito, but-ke for me uLebito akanginikezi lutho mesiya phambili. Kule game lesidinga amagoli, kule game lesidinga ama-goals. So when you start a player like uSibelebele, who is very very good when he's starting as a right wing back, he is very good, he's sharp, he's quick. You need a player like uSibelebele as your wing back. So mina start uSibelebele and put uLebito ebenchini. uLebito for me, I feel like umjida usana leyo nto lokwalimala. So yabo ngathi unokunqananqena uthi aye phambili kakhulu at ama numbers. Defensively uLebito is very good, but when we are going yabo phezulu ngiyaye ngimquestion kakhulu. Yabo, so ngamqalisa wethu uLebito la as ngamqalisa njalo uSibelebele as i-right wing back. Mase kuthi ka left angifuni lo ngichaza bafethu unyamazo Dion Hot. Yabo, iyona into engiyithanda ngawe, uyakwazi ukukhopha phambili awusedela ama-numbers. Into engikhala kakhulu ngoHot ile nto leyo engafuni ukuthi luthini ashesha cross. Yabo, into yakhe nje leyo nokuthi angaphathi avela afuna ukuyikhahlelela. Sometimes uyakora meyikhahlelela, sometimes ushaya into enga-understandeki. Yabo, usanaleyo nto nje uDion Hot, but-ke yena uyakwazi ukuthi asinike something kuleya left hand side, akwazi ukuthi asupporte iwinga lizobe lidlala lapho. uSinapolice nje uyakwazi ukudlala naye, uMfukeng uyakwazi ukudlala naye, same as uSibelebele la. I need that thing from uSibelebele ukuthi akwazi ukusebenzisana ne-right winger ezobe idlala la. But-ke for me iyona back four le engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba. Wangitshela wona kuma-comments ithini mase kuthi number 6 bafethu I would choose uSihle Nduli. Currently uyena vele number 6 esidlala ngaye. So I would choose uSihle Nduli lapha to manage Orlando Pirates, akwazi ukuthi siqine nje ngempela ngadluli lutho. So lapha esizwini wenze ngaqalisa yena uSihle Nduli wena wangitshela ukuthi ngangiqalisa nomba but ke uMakhehleni Makhawula bafethu ngizwile I heard iprogress ngaye kuthiwa umshida usathintekile kancane but ke basammonitor yabo abafuna ukumrasha kakhulu basammonitor nje uyabuya kwabanye abadlali bafisa abazodlala esiswini ngaqalisa uMbatha benosipho Mbule. I'll start uMbatha benosipho Mbule bafethu. Reason being regarding uMbatha, last game we didn't see uMbatha. Yabo i-team atedlala now they were very strong esiswini. They were very strong esiswini kule game le. I saw ama-goals ade bewakora. I saw ama-tackles ade bewawenza esiswini. Ngabona ukuthi no man kule game le besidinga umdlalo oqinile esiswini ozokwazi ukuthi asize uSihle Nduli lapha bakwazi ukumanage ama-threats aqhamuka esiswini aliya team because we lost too many balls yabo. We lost too many balls, so we need a player who is a box to box but get defensively okwazi ukubuya azosiza lapha ama defender ne midfielder la number 6 okuSihle Nduli mase siba nobani noSipho Mbule yabo. I was skeptical regarding our select uSipho Mbule, maybe select uTito Maswanganya iqale, maybe second half introduce uSipho Mbule yabo. Mhlambe into ezowenzeka le game ini uthi siqalise uTito Maswanganya second half singene sibani uSipho Mbule but ke I don't think mhlambe kuzowenzeka kanjalo. Mhlambe uSipho Mbule bebemrelaxisa against Polokwane City but uTito udlale kahle against Polokwane City which is a good thing for Orlando Pirates. So I think uTito uzoqala kodwa ke based on i lineup engiyikhethile mina ngingamqalisa uSipho Mbule. So far iyona mina i lineup le. Wena wangitshela ukuthi isisu sakho ungasisetha kanjani but ke so far 4-3 yabo. Ke kanje center back uMbokazi uSiyema Dion Hotto and uSibelebele mase number 6 kube uMjida lo Nduli mase kuthi uMbatha zo number 8 mase kuthi number 10 kube ubani kube uSipho Mbule mase kuthi kuma wingers ngifuna nje ama goals nangu Tsepang Morem ngizomqalisa as a right winger. I don't know ukuzalana ngomfukeng currently yabo umshito usathintekile yabo. So angifuni ukuthi ngingloye ngimfaka kakhulu kuma kuyinhlelo zescheme yabo. Ayathi ukuphola kancane umjida bakhona abajida bazokwazi ukuthi bayidlala iposition yakhe. Tsepang Morem so far he's very very good for Orlando Pirates yabo. So mase ukuthi lapha ku left wing amase ngiqalisa bani Osuna Police yabo. So iyona ke lineup le so far. Osuna Police nyamaze bafethu lento yomqalisa ebenchini angiyi-understand because umfukeng akekho. Umfukeng mengekho you have to start Osuna Police. Umfukeng mengekho you have to start Osuna Police. You like it or you don't like it. Mase siya phambili ke ngiyokhetha nje i-striker la but abaningi badinga igoli. Nje sidinga igoli siyodlala ne-team e-defensive eyohlala at the back. Leya team iyohlala at the back. So ukuyofaka i-striker esizohlala phambili ngeke kuyenze sense because the striker lesizovele sihlale nje phambili so fanele ukuthi so add ama-defenders yabo. So ba ilinye lama-defenders so we need a striker esizokwazi ukuthi sihluphe i-defense. Siyasazi ke leso striker oku-Evidence Makgopa. Nayi lineup yami bafethu ngangitshela ama-comments wena ithile yakhe lineup but ke ngingamqalisa mina uMakgopa bafethu. So iyona ke lineup le engasitholela 4 goals in my opinion. You can tell me in the comments ingabe ithine yakho but ke nayi eyami.